Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you where you can find a list or overview of all shortcuts that are applicable in the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let us get started. So guys, you can use a lot of shortcuts here in the Pixlr Photo Editor, and I don't mean Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-V for example only, or Ctrl-C for example for copy pasting or undoing, but basically a shortcut for each and every function or tool here in the Pixlr Photo Editor, like for example the eraser tool, which is the shortcut E, or the color picker, which has the shortcut I on your keyboard, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to learn all of these guys and get a better overview of them, simply navigate to Help here at the top and select Keyboard Shortcuts, and there you go. Here we'll see a list of all of these shortcuts you can use, for example, like Arrange, Redo, Select, Blur, and so on and so forth, zoom in, pan, brush size, and as previously mentioned guys, there are probably more than we see here in that list, but that's quite a good overview of most of the keyboard shortcuts you can use, for example, to navigate or to work with the Pixlr Photo Editor guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.